All right, guys. So yesterday I started making a thingamajigger because my mill only has 2 clamps. So really quick, I just took this off and I'm kind of half-ass replicating this. My biggest issue is I didn't have a pipe this big or a drill bit this big to go through it. I mean, I could do it on the mill, but, or the lathe, I mean, but then I have to cut a piece of stock, but I don't really have a piece of thick wall tubing like that. So, I found a piece that will work. Now, it's off of a piece of scrap, of course, because I pick up all scrap that I find all the time. So we're gonna rough this up, clean the edge up here a little bit. If I'm straight or not, I just go like this with my deal until it equalizes. And then I know I'm running true. Here's what we're doing. We're making a clamp on my thingamajigger. So that's what we're doing. We're making this side. My hole's not like theirs, but this thing doesn't gotta hold a lot. I knew it was gonna be just a little bit bigger. It's about just under an 1/8. I think we're done with all the machining part. Yesterday, I made the other part of it, and I'll tell you what, it was a bear because I didn't put, if I had this rod in, which is sitting right there, it would have made my life a lot easier and I would have been able to thread for the first time in my life. But, okay, so here's what I did yesterday. I made this thing out of a piece of pipe I found in Lake Superior. So I did 2 things. I made a handle for this, which I pulled off already. The other one doesn't have a handle, so I made a sliding handle. So I can just be like, which is kind of stupid, but it is what it is. Matter of fact, here's a piece of copper. We'll just slip that in there, wrap it once, and cut it. That way it can be taken off easily or whatever, you know. There we go. Now the handle ain't gonna fall out. So that's pretty much all this thing is. You know, we're just copying that. I have this Acme thread, but I don't have the die to make the receiver on it. So the other thing we got to do is this. We need this tang, because that tang holds it so it can flip up. Now, we just made the bushing, so we're going to weld the bushing on here. So I'm gonna cut and weld this on here and I'll bring you right back. All right guys, change of plans. So I was thinking outside the box here a little bit, And I figured, well, because the bushing's bigger, I do have a hole saw that fits this. Alright guys, that was just a really quick process, you know. It's not perfect by any means, but now that I've done it once, you can see I got 3 uprights, and I actually need probably 1 more of those uprights. That I should probably move right away. I got another bell. Or maybe I just take that one and move it down. Man, you know, I don't know why they don't just come with more. For the price of this thing, so here's what we needed. We got these on all of these. Put this on. Bolt back through. Put that on. Okay, here's the last one before lunch. I did quite a few, but it really sucks that debarker doesn't work unless the logs are like 20 inches. With a Dremel tool, just to see it. And I mean, it's still cutting, but can't wait to get this machine under its own building. This sucks. That side. This wood is still wet, but this wood's been down for 4 years. So I got about, I don't know, 10 or 12 of them ones cut down from when I built this building. And then it's all gonna be new wood, so I don't know. It's working. It's work, but it's working, you know. So we're gonna get some of this stuff. I got these two and we got them other 4 or 5 back there. I gotta separate this. I've just been throwing lumber and junk wood on there. I got our sticker pile running. I got some miscellaneous cants and 6x6 and 4x4s. Basically, that's all I'm doing with all them ones over there is making 4x4s, 6x6s, and then whatever lumber I get off them is a plus. So that's gonna be our shack for this here sawmill. So thanks for watching.